Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. I welcome you to English grade 6 video lessons. This is your instructor Zia Hamid. I hope that you're doing well and enjoying a very good learning. My dear learners, we are dealing with grade 6, unit number 2. The title is Someone Who Understands. You have thoroughly read this lesson. The theme and sub-themes are: the theme is peaceful coexistence or peace education. Our sub-theme is awareness of challenges faced by differently abled people. Now, this will be our lecture number 1A with the competency of grammar. The topic is gender nouns. My dear learners, let's read our students' learning outcome and break it down to understand that what we are supposed to do in this lesson and how do we completely accomplish our students' learning outcome. So first, let's read it. Our SLO is sort the nouns by gender, that is masculine, feminine, and common, for example, baby, or neuter, for example, property. So, my dear learners, we will be seeing that nouns have genders. We are familiar with the masculine gender, feminine gender. We will also talk about common genders and also neuters. So we will be seeing them with definition along with their examples. So let's get started. Now, here is a vertical linkage of this SLO with the previous grade. You have already gone through it and you are very much familiar with it. Now let's begin by the name of Allah. We will read this ayah from Surah Nahl, verse number 97. So let's read it together. Whoever does good, whether male or female, and is a believer, we will surely bless them with a good life, and we will certainly reward them according to the best of their deeds. From Surah Nahl, verse 97. Subhanallah, it's such a beautiful and encouraging verse from the Holy Quran. Now, the purpose for reading this verse is to make you familiar with the masculine and gender, common and neuter nouns. So, I hope that you have read the translation of this ayah with me. And now, can you find out or can you spot some masculine, feminine, or common nouns in this ayah? Yes, we have male, masculine noun, female, feminine noun, some common nouns. So I hope that you can find more from this verse. Now let's get started with our brainstorming session. We have a very interesting query for you. Here you have sentences. The king and queen addressed their subjects during the royal ceremony. And the other one is, the waiter served the king while the waitress took the food orders from the patrons. So, my dear learners, you have some knowledge about common nouns, masculine and feminine nouns. By reading these sentences, you have to pause the video and spot the masculine, feminine, gender or neuter nouns that you find. Now, let's move forward with our topic, which is genders or gender nouns. My dear learners, from your page number 12, we have a very interesting prompt for you. Do you remember that masculine nouns are words used for men, boys, and male animals? For example, rooster, master, etc. So masculine nouns are used for males, either they are human beings or animals. Now, here are some examples for your better understanding. Let's read this example. The boy has a sheep named Sky. Here, the boy is a masculine noun. He owns a good few ram. Ram is the male sheep. Now, this is also a masculine noun. Okay. So, we have seen that these bold and colored words are masculine nouns. They are, the boy is a human being and ram is an animal. So, it covers both of them. We have another example for you. The emperor is riding a stallion. Both these words, emperor and stallion, are masculine nouns. Now, on page 12, we have about feminine nouns. They are words used for women, girls, and female animals. For example, hen, landlady, etc. Hen is a feminine noun used for the female counterpart of rooster, and also landlady is the counterpart of the masculine noun landowner or landlord. So we can see that feminine nouns are used in both with both animals and females. We have another example for you. Let's read it. The witch captured a girl. So the witch and a girl are both feminine nouns. Now we have another example. The queen has a beautiful doe. Queen is a feminine noun. It's of feminine gender. It's used for females, and doe is also used for female animal. Now, let's talk about common genders. Common gender are words used for both males and females. For example, farmer can be both a male or a female. Kitten, parent, all of these can be male or a female. So when we are talking about these common nouns, we can say that we are using common genders because they can be both masculine or feminine. Now let's begin with neuter nouns. Neuter nouns are words used for things that are neither male nor female, and they are called neuter nouns. For example, whistle, yard, forest, etc. All these nouns are called neuter nouns. They are non-living things because they don't have any gender, so we call them neuter nouns. Okay, so my class, we have a classroom activity for you. Let's do it together. Let's understand what it is. So from page 12, you have an activity. You will work in pairs. One pair will compete with the other. A pair will say a sentence using masculine or feminine. For example, the waiter served the dinner nicely. The other has to replace the masculine waiter with its feminine waitress. So I hope that you have completely grasped the classroom activity with an example so that you can do it better. Now, we have another part of the homework. It's a very quick homework for you. Go on a short walk or explore your home. Observe things, people, and animals. Categorize nouns as masculine, feminine, common, or neuter, and write 5 simple sentences with these nouns. So this is a very interesting homework for you. Now, my dear learners, let's talk about your worksheet. This is from the competency of grammar. My fellow teachers, you can distribute it among your students, and I wish that the students learn more about it using this worksheet. Now we are here at the end of our lecture. We are coming with some resources for you that is available in the description of the video. You can easily access them. Let's see what they are. It's worksheet a presentation, a lesson plan, a question bank, and a skill sheet. All these are available. Thank you for listening. I hope that you had good time learning about nouns, that they have genders, masculine or feminine, common and neuter, and we also learned them with examples, and now we are very much clear about using them correctly. This is your instructor Zia Hamid signing off. Allah Hafiz.